everyone, I'm Shannon and welcome back to the Overland Trails Adventures Garage. Today we've got in something that we've actually been waiting for since May. This is the Joolca Onsuite single shower to be mounted back here somewhere to be able to have a quick and easy shower bathroom setup. We're going to walk through what this really entails, why we waited so long for it. Let's dig in. Bam, there's your unboxing, and as you notice, we never really do unboxings here. I think they're dumb, unless there's just a very specific reason of why you're doing them. What you have here is the shower itself. It mounts in about a 40-inch length. Comes in a pretty tough nylon bag here, pretty waterproof. It also has a track on the back to where you can mount it to whatever roof bar you may have. It comes with these handy dandy brackets here that bolt to this, and this bolts to the roof rack, as you can see there, upside down or right side up. I've got to figure out how to use these because mounting to this is going to take a little bit of engineering. Let's dive into the specs here. So when fully deployed, it is roughly 37 inches wide and comes out about 33 inches. It has roll down bars inside for the height of the side walls in the front, obviously. It can go down as low as 71 inches and is up as high as 84 inches. That's the real reason why we ordered this, because it has solid walls, not ratchet strap kind of looking things where you can lower it and you got a gap at the top and you got a big gap at the bottom. With this shower, we'll be able to go from the very top of the bars all the way to the ground, which we bought the Joolca floor that goes in it, and so we'll be able to couple this to the floor, go all the way above our heads, solid, and it has a roof that comes out that velcros in, so we'll be able to get the amount of privacy that we like to have. Some people don't really, need that much, but whenever I'm in the shower or sitting down on the toilet, I don't want people to be able to see underneath and see my feet and see me doing my business. So this was the only one that had this style of setup, which we'll go over in detail once we get it installed. Okay, we got the shower mounted. Let's take a look at how I mounted that right quick. It's hard to see, but I took the L brackets that were originally part of the build where you mount those to a roof rack and the L sticks out and you mount the tent to that. I was able to use the slotted grips for both the shower and then the bolt to the extruded aluminum, and it gave it a little bit of flexibility, so I've got them pushed almost all the way up to give it the right amount of high thrust short people. Okay, we got the unit installed, we've got everything situated, it's on pretty tight. We actually just got back from GSI Outdoors a week or so ago, where we deployed and used the shower. So let me walk you through those features that we've talked about a little bit that make this shower special and the reason why we chose it. Let's open it up. All right, open up the flap. It's all rolled up inside. You got two main Velcro straps on either end, and when you pop these, it automatically deploys. As far as rolling down, you've got the aluminum bars here that you unhook and swing open. And on either side, there's a lock in place where they will lock. You can see it's got the strong bars at top. They keep it up very sturdy. It's got metal bars around here inside the fabric that keep the walls stiff. So you got sturdy, sturdy. Okay, on all four corners at the bottom, it's got hard plastic that keeps the bottom in place. It has these buckles here, which I will show you what these are for, and it's kind of special. It's got obviously tie downs on all four corners where you can use the tent stakes that come with it to stake it down. It's got a couple of different Velcro little straps here. It has a huge zipper right here. So the entire thing comes wide open. It's got this huge floor space here that you can manage. You have a dry zone pouch right here, which means you can put anything you want underneath there with this little hanging bar or hanging rope there. Keep it dry, usually for towels or something. We got huge pockets here to store whatever you want. Again, you got another bar right here that keeps everything stiff. And you have another zipper here that allows you to unzip the entire other side of it. One of the cool things that I didn't really notice at first was this dry pouch. It says laundry on it, and you flip this up, and it's got a little pouch inside. You can basically put your laundry. I actually put my clean clothes in there, and then I'll change out of I'll wear my clean clothes to the shower, and then put them in there, and then put them back on before I get out of the shower, so it makes it real simple. It has a zipper here and over here. What that allows you to do, if it's mounted on the side of a car, then you can get in and out of your window to get anything you need. I'll also show you how we put our shower from the Hawk in here to use it as well. Let me roll out the roof and show you how that works. Oh, and also it has this little fold-out bar here that can hold the nozzle. We do have the Joolca Onsuite with all the cabling, all the hoses, and the shower head from that. But we like to use the one that came with the Hawk because it's a little bit smaller and easier to manage. We just keep that folded back. And now the shower itself, for the roof, is Velcroed in so it doesn't bounce around. So the shower just rolls out. And it is Velcroed to the side here on top of this bar. This huge flap that will just fold down over the front of it, and so it's completely locked in, making it so easy just to close yourself up in it, not be seen, not be messed with. With the adjustable height on it, which I'll show in a second, it can go all the way to the floor. This is the way we normally deploy it, so you can see it goes all the way to the ground. Nobody's looking at my feet while I'm taking a shower or using the toilet. And then this flap here has Velcro, so it can actually come in and then Velcro to this if you want, so you are completely sealed in all the way. For the shower that is available outside of the Hawk flatbed, we have the hose that comes with it. We keep it right inside this little storage bin right here. You just take this, plug it in, turn it over to the temperature that you want. Take this hose and just drop it to the side right here. To adjust the sides up and down, you just undo these bolts here with an Allen wrench. Pop the cap off, and then you're able to slide the bar out, adjust it by rolling it up or rolling it down, and sliding it back in and locking it in place, put the cap back on. Okay, now that we've shown the shower and how it deploys, how easy it is to adjust and manage, how easy basically it is to install, let's get into a little bit more of the bougie stuff that Joolca provides, which is this. This is the Joolca floor for the shower. It works in the Ensuite, and I believe it also works in the pop-up. So let's take a look at what's in here. In this pretty tough bag, the Joolca floor comes with the bamboo floor that you stand on and the base that holds it all together. The crossbar that supports the base. All right, you have the base here, in which when you just pull it apart, it automatically deploys. You can notice it's dirty because we had a great time at Texas Outdoors, or TAO. You button the sides to get it to lock in place. And then you take the crossbar and you insert it into the base here so it will hold everything in place while you stand on it. Now I know what you're thinking. This is just a little much to go camping. You got to think about it this way though. We're going out in this new configuration. We're not coming back days, weeks, months. So a little bit of comfort, you know, from home is always welcome. Now the floor rolls out. Lock the other side in place right there. Now, remember I mentioned the buckles. These buckles can buckle it right here. That locks the shower base into the shower curtain itself and kind of just creates a little support mechanism. You stand on it and it does just fine. Now this is the basic configuration of putting it out, and I'll put it in the tent in a second. The other option you have when doing this particular floor, as you can see right here, there are drain hoses that you can connect. One to drain away from the shower base because this gathers the water and you can manage the water better. The other one you can connect directly back into the pump for the Joolca hot tap. That way when the water hits here, you can recycle it, saving water as you go. We opted not to do that because we don't like to shower in our dirty water. Great concept for some people, not for us. And to put the base in is real simple. Shove it in the shower, measure it out, clip it in. And you can adjust these straps however you need it to make sure that everything is in tight. Now that the shower base is installed, you can see you can just get in, stand on the shower base. The shower base is locked all in. Zip it down. Got your shower head right here. You can just still slide out the bar and hang it right there and pull it down when you need it. To be honest, is the Joolca shower really worth it? That's up to you as an individual. We like the coverage of it. We like the ability to have the base where we can not stand in mud or whatever when we're taking a shower. We like the full coverage, you know, and the feel of the material and the sturdiness of the bars and how the top velcros in, so it really kind of makes us feel like when we're out, we're enclosed. Again, we went to TAO, we're out there taking a shower. Basically, our truck was on display and people were just walking by. We felt secure in this because we were fully protected. Like some of the others, there's a gap at the top, a gap at the bottom. You're using straps to hold it up and adjust it. They're just, you know, okay. If you want to go a little bit extra, if you want a little bit more protection, the Joolca shower is probably the way to go. Now, as far as cost, this is not cheap. This shower enclosure costs around $300 just for the enclosure. The base itself, I remember right, we bought it a long time ago, it was around the same price, around $300. So this entire shower setup, not including being able to buy the hot tap or anything like that if you need it, is you're already into it for $600. Some other showers are a little bit more economical, so it's really up to you. If you like this video, then you should like the video down below. If you want to see more videos like this and be notified when we put them out, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. In the meantime, we'll see you on the trails.